Hey everyone, I'm meteorologist Hannah Dennis, and we are going to have a bit of a stormy wake-up call going into tomorrow. However, I have another sunny day ahead, but we could see some more rain next week. So this is what we're looking at going into tomorrow morning. You can see that a line of storms and showers starts to come through our state in the early morning hours, and by 5 to 6 in the morning, that's when it hits the metro area. Now, there could be some small hail and stronger winds within these storms, but nothing is going to be severe. We're not going to see any of the big hail that came with some of those storms that we saw in the past. Now, this will slowly start to make its way across the state by 11 a.m. It is mostly in the eastern part of the state, but you can see the southeastern part of the state is going to see more and more rain, and they had some flooding issues yesterday. Now, as we go more into the afternoon, it completely clears our state, so it's not going to be an all-day thing. It's going to just pass through in the morning and early afternoon, and then we have the rest of the day to ourselves. But you see those clouds start to clear out as we go more into the evening and nighttime, and that is setting us up to have a sunny day on Sunday. Now, as much as rain, we're not going to see too much. We're maybe going to see 2 inches in some isolated areas, but we're looking at a quarter of an inch to maybe an inch across some areas in the state. So it's not going to be a complete washout, but it's going to be a little bit more something to help with our drought. Now, tomorrow's not our only chance of rain. We are going to have some more chances starting the week. You can see they go back up Monday and Tuesday, and then we do have smaller chances as we go on throughout the rest of the week, but it's not going to be a completely rainy week. We are going to have pockets of sun from time to time throughout the week. Now, as far as wind goes, Saturday is going to be a bit on the breezier side, but it won't be anything too extreme. And then Monday evening into the nighttime hours, it will get a little bit windy because we have that next system that rolls through, and it's going to bring a little bit of rain and wind with it, and then our winds will start to go down by Tuesday morning. Now, tonight we're going to get down to 54 degrees. It's going to be a nice evening. Those clouds are building back in, and then that line of storm starts to enter the state the early morning hours of Saturday, and so we'll have some morning storms, but it clears out by the afternoon. So we'll reach 66 degrees on Saturday, and then here's your 10-day. Sunday is looking to be like a beautiful day like it was today. We're going to get up into the 70s. We're going to see a lot of sun, and then Monday evening, that's when some more storms roll through. They can linger around on Tuesday, and then we get into like the cooler temperatures once again as we go into Thursday and Friday. We'll get back down into those 60s. But by the time the weekend comes, looks like we're going to see more sun, and it's going to warm up a little bit on Mother's Day. So it's looking like we're going to have a much better weekend going into this following week.